Hey guys, welcome back to another video, welcome back to another vlog. So today I'm getting ready for a vacation. So well, not exactly today, like over the course of today is Wednesday, and yeah, I'm basically starting this process off in the middle of the week. I won't leave I won't leave until next week, but because of how the holiday is situated here, the holiday falls on a Friday, so no one will be open on that day, and I have work, so I have to try to do things early. So this morning I'm getting ready for a lash appointment. It's currently 7 a.m. My lash appointment is at 9, but I have to go into my nail shop early to clean up because I had a late client last night, so I had to leave the place like a mess. So I want to go in and clean things up and then get to my lash appointment before 9 a.m. So I am currently about to leave. I'm gonna take this down. My voice is like really choppy. I literally just got up and started getting ready. So yeah, I'm all ready. So I'll see you guys when I get to my shop. I might show you guys a little bit, it's a mess. Or when I get to my lash appointments, okay? It's a bit noisy here. I am at my shop. I am 20 minutes early. Well, I got here really about 8 o'clock and I started cleaning everything. So in here is really clean, but I still have about 20 minutes until my appointment. So I'm just gonna go ahead and walk on down there because it's really close to where I work. So I just want to be on time, so I'm gonna get there right now. So see you guys. This is how my lashes look right now. Look at it. They're about to be pretty. I'm kind of doing a vlog too, so yeah. Wow, it's so different. It's pretty. Nice. It's very, very nice. Thank you. Guys, I am looking really crazy right now. Good morning. It's the next day and I am getting ready to go to my hair appointment. Well, not appointment, to go do my hair. Basically, I'm doing a sewing closure. I want to get there by 7 a.m. because it's a first come first serve thing, and that lady, she's always packed, man. I'm proud of her great work, of course. So I want to reach really early because I need to go to work right after. I'm planning to add more stones to them, like these that doesn't have the stone on them, but when I'm closer to the trip I will be adding those stones because I still have to work and file, use a buffer, and I am taking my time, but I don't want to. I already have scratches on my nails, so it's a part of the job. So yeah, I'm about to leave, so I'm up putting a hat on. It's so dry. maybe it needs a little brushing. This side. Boom, I am ready for the road. I don't care how crazy I look right now. I'm about to be glammed up. Right, sorry about this lighting, guys. I'm in my room. It's kind of dark because it's really early. Oh, it's almost 6:30. Yeah. So I'm gonna go. I'll see you guys when I get there. Oh my god, the quality is awful right now. But
done with, sir. No. They cannot text back my mother.
oh really? This fucking man I say what?
Well, I'm not sending work yet.
A primary school at it. No sir. So hey guys, so my hair is done. Oh my gosh, it was a long day. It was a long day yesterday because I had work in between doing my hair. Yeah, it's a good thing the hairdresser is close by, or else I would have wasted the whole day. But no, I had clients to work on, so you know, let me get through real yet. Anyways, so my hair is done. I am loving my hair. It looks really nice. It's super soft and nice. It's the next day, by the way. What else do I want to say? I am very tired because I got home really late. Yeah, so right now I am about to start packing and get myself in order so that I can just, you know, relax for the weekend. Today is a holiday, by the way. Today is let me see. Today is Good Friday, so I got that time off to pack and just get everything together. Yeah, so I'm about to do that. I'll see you guys soon. Hey guys, so yeah, you guys just saw me finish packing. I am about 98% done packing, and I am on my last day before I like get to this is my final full day for me to prep and like get ready completely. So what I'm doing is, to my nails I am adding some more crystals on the ones that don't have the crystals on. This is what I've done so far. They look really cute, so that's what I'm about to do. And I'm using top coat to hold the stones on because I left my rhinestone glue at work. I move quick, you know, like real quick.
Yes, sir.
I'm moving really fast.
Say I agree there, bro.
Yes.
Anyway, look at my stitch.
That cutie. Are you past the workbook?
Yes.
Fuck, how you get that? Mine
mom.
just simple. It's nice.
My mom bought this for me. It's stitched.
Boy. Mine just look nude and bleh.
It's a plain one.
Yeah, it says passport.
It did have a plain one. I'm gonna buy one new one. This one feel like it's waterproof.
Mm-hmm.
Anyways, later.
Bye.
Bye, vlog.
Cute little charms. I'm gonna use.
I
don't care, you're my party when you go to Panama.
Mm-hmm.
No, yeah, tell your part.
Hey people! We're going to Panama. This cute girl here is gonna.
Kaya pa na yun, no? What's that yan?
Alright, they can cut you out.
Ito.
But anyway, people, we're here and Terry's here doing her nails. I don't know what she's doing. It's like she's putting a coat to make it all shiny
What?
and thing. Is that a coat? No,
What is
she's
a coat?
taking
It's top coat or
the pencil
Anyways.
to put the jewel thing on it. That's
Mm-hmm.
what. Oh wait, that's my. Is that my phone?
No,
Why you talking like that?
it's the man.
Oh, oh, he's a chemical man.
Get
Come
it.
talk to the chemical man. Come talk to the chemical man. We got fabric softener. We got fabuloso.
We got bleach.
Oh God.
Yeah, but
We got
you
fabric softener.
Hey.
know, go talk to
We
the
have
chemical
fabric
man.
softener. We have Suavitel.
So,
Dishwashing liquid.
people,
All-purpose
if you're
soap.
interested in gaming, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Mm-hmm.
Is the arrow?
Mm-hmm.
THE.
Shameless plug. Yeah, man. You're crazy, you know?
Man reach a mobile now. When the man reach a mobile, man come off a plane. When he reach a mobile, I say, yeah, he reach a foreign now. Copa. Copa.
Mo, dahil shot.
Mientras esté sentado, aunque la señal del cinturón esté apagada. Si se ilumina la señal de ajustarse los cinturones, manténgase sentado con su cinturón ajustado y visible hasta que se apague la señal. national and international regulations require the use of the symbol. When the symbol sign is on, fasten the symbol by inserting the metal end into the buckle, and then by pulling the loosen of the strap. To release it,
Finally we see the sign. Oh, everybody have video so. Oh my goodness. This is the airport. You know this is the airport.